You ever notice how the best crews take pride in their work? It's not just a job to them, it's a craft, a calling. It ain't just about the paycheck, it's about respect. Respect for the job, respect for the tools, and respect for the machines that help us get things done. When you respect your tools and machines, you treat them better. You maintain them, you keep them clean, and you make sure they're always in top working condition. That's what autonomous maintenance is all about, taking ownership. It's about every worker feeling responsible for the equipment they use every day. See, in the old days, maintenance was all about waiting for something to break. It was reactive, not proactive. Then you call in the experts, they fix it, and you hope it doesn't happen again. But hope isn't a strategy. Autonomous maintenance flips the script. It puts the power back in the hands of the people who know the machines best. It's about empowering the folks on the front lines, the ones who know those machines inside and out, to spot the little problems before they become big headaches. They can catch issues early before they escalate. It's about preventing breakdowns, not just reacting to them. It's a proactive approach that saves time, money, and stress. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait for your truck to catch fire before you check the oil, right? Regular maintenance keeps everything running smoothly. Autonomous maintenance is about applying that same common sense to every piece of equipment on the job site. It's about creating a culture where everyone is invested in the health and efficiency of the machinery. When everyone takes ownership, the whole operation runs smoother. It's a team effort that leads to better results, higher productivity, and a safer work environment. So let's take pride in our work, respect our tools, and embrace autonomous maintenance. It's not just a strategy, it's a mindset that benefits everyone. Now you might be thinking, Mike, I ain't no mechanic. What can I really tell just by looking at a machine? Well, let me tell you, your 5 senses are more powerful than you think. They are your first line of defense in identifying potential issues before they become major problems.
Look for leaks, cracks, loose parts, worn belts. These are all visual cues that something might be wrong. Is anything vibrating more than usual? Excessive vibration can indicate misalignment or worn-out components. Is there any discoloration or unusual wear and tear? These signs can point to overheating or friction issues.
Machines make noise, that's a given. But it's not just about the noise they make. It's about the changes in that noise. A new squeak, a grinding sound, a change in pitch. These can be signs that something's off. Listen carefully, because these auditory cues can help you catch issues early.
Overheating, burning, unusual odors. These can all be early warning signs of trouble. Your sense of smell can alert you to electrical issues or overheating components.
Feel for excessive heat, vibration, or looseness. These tactile sensations can indicate underlying problems that aren't immediately visible. Sometimes your hands can detect a problem before your eyes can. Don't underestimate the power of touch in your inspections.
Okay, maybe not taste. Unless you're dealing with food processing equipment, you can probably skip this one. But in the right context, even taste can be a useful sense.
The point is, your senses are your first line of defense. They help you catch small issues before they escalate. By paying attention to the little things, you can catch problems early on and prevent them from becoming major shutdowns. So trust your senses and use them to your advantage. They are invaluable tools in maintaining the smooth operation of your equipment. Let's get down to brass tacks. Here are some real-world examples of how your senses can save the day and potentially save your entire operation from costly downtime and repairs.
You're running a conveyor belt, and you notice one of the rollers is wobbling a bit. Turns out the bearing is going bad. Catching it early means a quick fix. Ignoring it, the whole belt could seize up, costing you time and money. A simple observation can prevent a cascade of failures that might halt production for hours or even days.
You're operating a pump and you notice a new whining sound. Could be a sign of cavitation, which can damage the impeller. Addressing it early saves you a costly repair down the line. Listening carefully to the machinery can be the difference between a minor adjustment and a major overhaul.
You walk into the control room and you get a whiff of burning insulation. Turns out, a motor is overheating. Catching it early prevents a potential fire hazard. Your sense of smell can be an early warning system, alerting you to issues that aren't visible yet.
You're performing a routine check on a gearbox and you feel excessive vibration. Could be a sign of misalignment or worn gears. Addressing it early extends the life of the gearbox. Feeling the vibrations can give you insights into the health of the machinery, allowing you to take action before a minor issue becomes a major problem.
These are just a few examples, but they highlight a crucial point. The key is to be vigilant, be observant and proactive. Regular checks and paying attention to the small details can make a huge difference. Trust your gut. If something doesn't seem right, it probably ain't. Your instincts combined with your senses are powerful tools in maintaining smooth operations. Don't underestimate the value of early detection and the role it plays in keeping everything running efficiently. Encourage your team to share their observations and concerns. A culture of open communication can lead to quicker identification and resolution of issues. Invest in training for your staff to recognize the signs of potential problems. The more knowledgeable they are, the better equipped they'll be to spot trouble before it bites you. Routine maintenance checks are not just a formality, they are essential in catching issues early. Make them a priority in your operations. By being proactive and attentive, you can ensure that your manufacturing operations run smoothly, efficiently, and safely. Remember, early detection is key to preventing bigger problems down the line. Like and subscribe